Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the best Amazon KDP course that you can get, that you should get if you are a beginner. If you are a beginner and you are thinking of learning how to publish books on Amazon, then you need to watch this video to the end. And why am I doing this? I'm doing this because a lot of people just hear that you can make money on Amazon. They hear that a lot of people are making money. They even see screenshots of a lot of people making money, and then they jump to YouTube to watch videos and start doing this by themselves. In fact, some go ahead and pay for Amazon KDP courses without even doing a proper research, without even knowing exactly what they are paying for. All right, that's why I'm making this video, so that you can make the best choice, the best decision when you decide to invest in a course. Okay, when you decide to invest in buying Amazon KDP course. All right, if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Awajimam Isuto, and on this channel I show you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how to do things that can help you generate money online. All right, and if this is your second time or your third time or your fourth time of coming to this page, I believe that you have subscribed already, and I'm very glad that you have done so. I'm very glad that you're watching this video again. All right, I'm very glad. I want to say welcome to you. If this is your first time, this is your second time, welcome to my channel. All I want you to do before I go into the video proper, I need you to kindly like this video and hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Why you're doing that is because when you turn on the notification bell, it helps you to see whenever I post new videos. You'll be the first to be notified. All right, so kindly do that, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. All right, when you do that, it shows that you support what I'm doing, and YouTube gets to push me, help me to grow. All right, so having said that, quickly I'm going to take you into the Amazon KDP course, the best Amazon KDP course for beginners in 2023. Okay, so follow me now. Now, here we are on the page, okay? The page where you can find the best Amazon KDP course that you should get if you are interested in Amazon KDP course, all right? If you are interested in making money from Amazon KDP. Now, before I go and show you, before I scroll down and start showing you all of the things you should see on this page, I need you to understand that if you're one of those who used to think that everything we do on the internet is a scam, then you should not bother watching this video to the end, because it will be a waste of time on your part. All right, don't waste your time watching something you don't believe in. That's number one. Number two, if you're someone that always believes that everything should be given to you for free, then you do not have to watch this video, because if you are going to be successful with any business online, if you're going to be making money online, then you have to invest your time, your energy, and your money. Let me repeat that again. If you're going to be successful in the internet, when I say successful, I mean if you're going to make a lot of money like some of us do, okay, you will need to invest your time, your money, your time, your energy, and your money. Anything outside this is a waste of your time. Okay, you'll be deceiving yourself. A lot of people will not tell you this. They will just go ahead and just take you through a very long journey and just stress you with words. I'm just saying this now. If you're watching this right now and you don't believe in making payments, investing to become better, then you should not bother watching this video. Now, if all of these things I've mentioned, if you are not part of the category of the two set of people I've mentioned, then you need to stick around and watch this video to the end, because I want to show you what you'll be getting if you finally decide to get an Amazon KDP course. Then this is the one you should go for. All right, now On your screen now, what you're seeing is in 12 months, I have put 68.6 million naira in the hands of normal people using just their Android phones or laptop, meaning that people are making a lot of money in millions from just publishing books on Amazon. Now, what will shock you, one of the things that will shock you is that you do not even have to be a writer. You do not have to know how to write. You don't have to be an experienced writer. In fact, you don't need to write words. That's one of the interesting things about doing this business. You can publish something as simple as notebooks, something as simple as a blank page that children can draw inside, and you'll be making your money. All right? If that sounds interesting to you, keep watching, because I want to show you some of these things I'm saying. I want to make you part of it, okay? You don't have to accept if you don't want to. Now, I've told you before, if you don't want to be part of it, you should not be watching this video. All right? Right now, as we know, $1 is close to 1,000 naira. In fact, at the time of making this video right now, it is 1,000 naira plus. Okay? $1 is now 1,000 naira plus. Okay? Today, if you are Nigerian, this is very applicable to you. If you are not Nigerian, then you need to calculate $1 in your country's currency. Okay, that means if $1 is, let's say, an equivalent of 1,000 naira today, it means if you're making $3,000, look at what you'll be making. 3 million naira in your account just for publishing. Are you seeing this? Now look at, let me show you screenshots. Are you seeing? These are screenshots of people that are doing this business, people like you and me that are doing this business. Can you see? $3,001 from Amazon KDP for smartphone. That means the person used smartphone and is making this. Can you see another one? 1,072 pounds. Can you see this? See another one. Are you seeing this now? 587 withdrawn. Can you see? Can you see? Look at a lot of screenshots to show you that this is a real business that a lot of people are doing. So if you are one of those who have been doubting, if you're doubting, maybe you are doubting and you're feeling, can I do this? People are doing this. I am doing this. Okay? I can go ahead and show you a lot of people that have benefited from this business. All right? Now, other interesting thing about this business is that you can do it from your home. You can do it from your smartphone or from your laptop. You don't have to refer anybody to make money from this system. In fact, you don't have to chat with anybody or beg anybody to buy. Once you understand the strategy of how to make money from this system, you can learn it, implement it, and be making money from the comfort of your home. That is how beautiful this business is. You can even be making money as an undergraduate. So if you are broke right now, you should consider what I'm saying. You should consider this business of publishing books on Amazon and making money for yourself. All right? All of these things, I cannot go in there to start showing you all these things, but you can make a lot of money. Look at the creator of this course. Look at his picture as at when he was 20, as at 2021. Look at who he is in 2023. Can you see the difference between this picture? This is how your life can change if you make a decision, okay? It's about decision. It's not about just hoping. It's about making a decision to change your life. Can you see? Now, this offer is worth 25,000 naira. I don't want you to be deceived. I just want you to understand that this costs some money. That's why I made you understand that it costs some money, because you're going to be learning some whole stuffs, some different things, the strategies of how you can actually be making money. And the beautiful thing about this is your first money you are going to be receiving can help you recoup all of the money that you put in, that you've invested in learning and getting this course. All right? Now, there are so many things I can show you on this page. All right? So many things I can show you on this page. But quickly, let me show you what are the things you are going to be learning if eventually you get onto this course, if eventually you get this course. All right? What are you going to be learning? Number one, you are going to be learning how to set up your bank account, okay, and your KDP account effortlessly. Now, this is what 99% of people don't know. When you go to YouTube and you're going to watch video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, by the time you finish watching, you'll be confused. You will have so many good videos that you'll be confused. You have what we call information overload. And that's why it is very important to have someone that will lead you, show you how it is done. Very important for you to be in a community. All right? That is what you are going to be getting when you invest in this course. The first thing, you're going to learn how to set up your bank account and your KDP account so that you can receive money whenever you make money to your bank account, to your local bank account. Number two, you're going to learn how to do research, stellar book research. You're going to learn how to do research to discover the kind of book that you can make so that you'll be making money. All right? Now, the difference between those who don't get this, who are just trying to do it on their own, trying to figure it on their own, is that the difference is that you keep creating books and you'll not be seeing money. You'll be wondering why you're creating more books and you're not seeing money. That is the power of research. Research helps you to know exactly what people really want so that you don't bother yourself creating what they don't want. Are you seeing this now? 3, you are going to be learning step by step how you can create best-selling book. All right? You are going to also learn how you can create interiors for your book. All right? Irrespective of the kind of book you want to publish, how can you make the perfect interior so that when people see your book, they are captivated, they want to buy your book? Another thing you'll be learning, which is number 5, is your book cover creation. You're going to learn how to create book covers. You're going to learn how to publish on Amazon, the A to Z of it. All right? Number 7, another thing you're going to learn is your optimization. How do you put your book in front of millions of people all over the world? Are you getting this now? These are the things you are going to be learning. Number 8, you're going to learn how to run ads on Amazon. How to advertise. Now, one of the powerful things that you need to know is how to advertise on Amazon. Because if you just publish your book will be lost in the midst of millions of books. And that's what makes your books that's what makes a lot of people to stress and get frustrated, because they are publishing books and their book is not selling. Beautiful books, good books, but people are not seeing the books because there are millions of books that are even competing with your book. Are you seeing what I'm saying now? So you need to learn how to run adverts like a pro on Amazon, and that's what you're going to be learning. All right? Another thing you learn in number 9 is that how you can stay safe on Amazon. Some people get banned because they don't follow the rules of publishing on Amazon. All right? These are the things you are going to be learning, and many more and many more. I can go on showing you all of these things. I can go on showing you on this, but I need you to be on this page yourself. All right? I need you to be on this page so that you can actually take your time and review this, look at it very well, and decide if you want to get on this course. All right? Now, you can do this business without having any experience before, even if you don't have experience before. As long as you can read and write and you can use the internet, you can do this business. Even if you don't have a laptop, you can use your phone. All right? You don't need to go anywhere. You don't need to make any sales call. You don't need to do any referral or chat anybody to come and buy. That's the beauty about this business. All right? I can go on and on and on and on and on and on and show you many things that you need to see in this book. But however, before you come and say you want to get this cost 25,000. Yes, a lot of people won't tell you that, but I need you to know that this cost 25,000. All right? That's because of all of the value you are going to be getting. All right? That's because of all the value you are going to be getting. Now, imagine that your life is just one step away. 25,000 naira is the last step for you to become rich. Would you take the chance, or you continue to try to figure things out by yourself. The ball is in your court. All right, if you want to change your life, you need to do something differently. All right, now I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to keep you just on this video. I don't want to make this video excessively long. I just want you to see this. Okay, now I have just shown you all of the things you need to see on the best Amazon KDP course for beginners. All right, if this is something you want to do and you are very much interested, all right, I will be dropping a link on the description. Okay, so make sure you check the link in the description. I'll drop a link there, and I'm dropping the link right now on your screen. So look at your screen right now. That is the link on your screen. All you need to do is to copy the link and paste it in your browser, and you're going to get access to that same page I just showed you now. All right, if you don't want to follow this one, go to the link in the description. That is how you're going to get through to that page. All right, I believe that you got value from this and your eyes have been opened to some of the things you should know. All right, I need you to get on that page personally. I need you to get on that page personally so you can take your time and review and look at it very well. All right, if you got value from this video, make sure that you tap the like button, tap the subscribe button, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. All right, that is all I'm going to be taking in this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.